Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best birthday gifts for 9-year-old girls are probably one of the most exciting and challenging purchases a parent or loved one can make, as this age marks a significant transition into pre-adolescence where interests are rapidly evolving, and the line between childhood toys and more mature hobbies begins to blur, making it crucial to select a present that resonates with her unique personality, budding independence, and growing curiosity about the world around her, ensuring the gift is not just a fleeting amusement but a meaningful contribution to her development and joy during this special milestone. Number 5. Tiny Gold Initial Heart Necklace. Introducing our exquisite necklace, a perfect blend of daintiness and elegance. It's designed to add a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Each piece is lovingly handmade, ensuring a unique and personal touch. You'll feel the care and craftsmanship in every detail. Crafted with a luxurious 14K gold plating, this necklace offers a radiant shine. It's a beautiful way to elevate your jewelry collection. Featuring a charming initial heart design, it's a wonderful way to express your individuality. Choose the letter that means the most to you. This makes an ideal gift for any woman in your life. Surprise her with a piece of jewelry that's both stylish and meaningful. Add this timeless piece to your jewelry collection. It's a versatile accessory that complements any style, from casual to formal. What we like? This necklace offers a touch of personalized elegance. If you're looking for a subtle yet meaningful accessory that can be worn every day, this is a great choice. It's perfect for someone who appreciates delicate jewelry with a personal touch. What people say. This is a great gift for a 9-year-old girl. It's fun and educational, and she can play with it for hours. The product is well made and durable. It's also very engaging and keeps kids entertained. I love that this gift encourages creativity and imagination. It's a wonderful way for kids to learn and grow. Number 4. Purple Ladybug Decorate Your Own Water Bottle Kit. Transform a plain water bottle into a dazzling, personalized statement piece. With sparkly unicorn-themed decorations, you can easily peel, stick, and create your own unique design. Then, simply attach the wristlet and charms to the lid for a magical touch. This all-inclusive kit provides everything for a magical crafting experience. You'll find a durable aluminum water bottle, charming unicorn-themed accessories, gemstone and vinyl sticker sheets, and a sparkly wristlet for easy carrying. Delight any unicorn fan with this unique and practical gift. It's a fun, creative, and thoughtful present perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because. Give a gift you'll be proud of. Kids will love customizing their bottles with waterproof, easy-to-peel stickers that stay put. The leak-proof lid is designed for small hands, and the wide mouth makes cleaning a breeze. Crafted with BPA-free, non-toxic materials, this water bottle is designed with your child's safety in mind. It's rigorously tested to meet strict international toy safety standards, making it ideal for home and school. What we like? This kit encourages creativity and hydration in a fun way. If your child loves unicorns and enjoys hands-on activities, this is an ideal gift. It's perfect for girls who like to personalize their belongings and stay hydrated in style. What people say. The kit comes with plenty of choices of stickers, gems, etc. for them to create a personalized and individual bottle. Bottle seems higher quality and all of the stickers were very sticky. Lots of stickers and gems to decorate the water bottle and make it your own. Number 3. Charm Bracelet Jewelry Making Kit for Girls. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one kit. Design unique bracelets for yourself or as thoughtful gifts for friends and family. Discover a delightful collection of themed charms and beads, from whimsical unicorns to vibrant rainbows. Add a touch of magic to every piece you create. Enjoy a hassle-free crafting experience with no tools or glue needed. Simply string the beads and screw the cap back on for easy, clean fun. Get started right away with everything you need in one box. This kit provides all the necessary components for creating stunning charm bracelets without any extra searching. Surprise the special girls in your life with this engaging craft kit. It's a wonderful way to encourage artistic expression and develop fine motor skills, perfect for any occasion. What we like? This kit provides endless possibilities for unique accessory creation. If your daughter enjoys DIY projects and expressing her style, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for those who love to design and make their own jewelry, fostering creativity and fine motor skills. What people say. It's a great gift for a 9-year-old girl. The product is well made and durable. The design is attractive and appealing to young girls. Number 2. Original Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Get ready for hours of imaginative fun. This kit lets you create unique slimes with delightful scents and colorful mix-ins. With 31 pieces, including everything you need to make custom slimes. Mix, match, and decorate your creations to your heart's content. This isn't just about making slime, it's about developing skills. Encourage creativity, decision-making, and hands-on learning as you design. Experience the satisfying textures and vibrant colors. It's an interactive arts and crafts experience that's perfect for sensory play. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is ideal for birthdays and special occasions. It even comes with a storage container for endless fun. What we like? This set offers a unique and engaging sensory experience. If your child loves slime and enjoys creative, hands-on activities, this is a fun choice. It's perfect for kids who like to experiment with textures, scents, and colors to create their own unique slime creations. What people say. The kit allows you to make 3 different types of slime: butter slime, cloud slime, and foam slime, which keeps the experience exciting and diverse. This kit really encourages creativity. My daughter enjoyed mixing the colors and textures to create her own ice cream slimes, and she loved the tactile nature of the slime making process. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the process simple even for younger kids. Everything is well organized and separated into individual bags, so there's no guesswork in terms of what goes with what. Number 1. Dan&Darci Paint and Plant Flower Growing Kit. Unleash your creativity and paint your very own small garden. Follow the simple instructions to sow the seeds and watch your vibrant flowers grow. The design possibilities are endless. Express your unique style by painting the planter and markers however you like. This all-in-one kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes a tin planter, soil, seeds, paints, brushes, and more. It's a fun project that also teaches valuable lessons. Children will be fascinated as they learn about the plant life cycle and botany. Give the gift of creativity and learning. It's a fantastic way for kids to have a blast while exploring art and nature. With vibrant colors and pleasant scents, you'll love watching your flowers grow. It's a rewarding experience for any child. What we like? This kit combines art and nature for a rewarding experience. If your child enjoys painting and learning about plants, this is a wonderful gift. It's perfect for budding artists and nature enthusiasts who want to create a beautiful, living garden. What people say. This is a great gift for a 9-year-old girl who loves to be creative and build things. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, even for a child. It comes with a variety of accessories and pieces, allowing for endless possibilities. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.